Welcome back to the channel, everyone.
Welcome back.
Right, we've done a load of beans and soup and everything videos.
Too many beans.
We're back with the beans, but this time we've got sausages in them as well. So we're going to compare beans with sausages to the Heinz beans with Richmond pork sausages.
I think this is a new thing because I think there was never a Richmond, was there?
No.
So it's got some kind of brand tie-up, I think.
I will admit straight away, again, on this food channel, that I've never tried beans with sausages.
Beans and sausages.
Never. So.
When growing up, I really didn't have them very often.
No, but you have at least tried them. I've never tried them. So we've got the Heinz ones. Those coming in at a whopping £2.
Blimey. We need an alarm going off, don't we, for them ones?
Oh, yeah, ding, ding, ding. Wow. Now remember, folks, these are the prices we've paid. You might be able to get some offers, but this is what we've paid. And we're going to test them against Bramwells. Bramwells, remember, are from
Aldi.
Yep. Those are coming in at 55p. We've also got Sainsbury's. And those are also obviously price matched to 55p.
Just going to have a look at the amount of sausage in, because that's what we're interested in really, isn't it? The Richmond sausage. And it says sausages are 15% and 42% of the sausages is pork.
Pork sausage 16%.
So a little 1% more you've got then.
Of pork 66%. So of the sausage.
Okay, so a lot more pork content in that sausage as well.
Yeah. Now on the Sainsbury's we've also got pork sausages 16%. However, they do not say the percentage of what pork is in that sausage.
So it could be anything, couldn't it?
Anything.
Could be anything. I prefer just a normal pork sausage. I do like Cumberland and Lincolnshire as well.
I like an Irish sausage.
Yeah, and I also like the speciality, the ones from the butchers.
Okay, so here we are. They're all cooked. I'm going to get you a close-up in a bit, but I'm going to probably break one in half, or should I say cut one in half, to see the insides as well. Yeah, so have you tried any of these, folks?
Yeah, I'd be really interested to know if you got any recommendations or...
Yeah, have you got a favourite? Also, if you do have these, what do you have with it? Do you have them on their own? Or do you have some toast or something?
Yeah.
Because beans on toast is one of my favourite meals. Or maybe some bread. You
could have it with a bit of mash as well, I suppose, or as a side with a with another
chips.
meal. Yeah, chips or the side of a meal. Yeah.
Let us know. Anyway, let's you get started on taste testing the Aldi Bramwells one.
You're going to chop one in half as well?
I am going to chop one in half, but you crack on with trying one so I can get the up close and personal.
So I'm going to
chop each one, folks.
The sausage and beans. Give this a go.
Try and make sure you can see.
It's got slightly smoky flavour. Obviously the texture's not like a fresh sausage. The texture just got a bit, not sloppy, but you know what I mean?
Soft, isn't it?
Soft, isn't it?
Yeah, like soft. Like I like my sausage, the skin to be a little bit hard, a little bit crunchier.
Not bad at all.
You just move your spoon. There we go. Right. Let's see a close-up then. This is the close-up of Bramwells. I've got your sausage cut in half there. This is the close-up of the Heinz, and there's your sausage cut in half there. Here is your Sainsbury's, and there, I'll be nearly finding it. There's your sausage. Okay. Now I've never had one of these before, so
yeah. So the texture's just different, because it becomes I don't know, stewed, I suppose. Not unpleasant. The flavour's not got much chew to it, has it? The sausage.
Yeah, it tastes like sausage meat without skin on.
Yeah. Oh, I'll tell you what, that would be good on jacket potato with some cheese over the top.
Yeah, that would be alright.
Some nice cheddar over the top.
Okay, not bad.
That would be quite nice.
Not bad.
Have you wet your whistle? I think I'm going to go for the Sainsbury's.
I knew you'd do that.
And I think it's because they're going to be pretty much the same.
Have a go then.
Let's go for this. Don't get dropping a bean into the Heinz.
No, you don't cross contamination.
Very similar, very similar. So much so, I'm going to go back onto this one.
Very similar.
If you used to push me, I'd choose.
I'll go Sainsbury's.
I'd go Sainsbury's as well.
Yeah.
The Sainsbury's are better.
Just edge it, don't they?
There's like a smoky
I was just going to say that. The sausage has got some extra flavour.
Tastes a bit smoky.
And I think that just makes it a little bit less like a slimy sausage. It just gives a bit more substance to it.
Not much in it, but I would slightly prefer the Sainsbury's.
Now these, remember folks, are the ones that look a bit more anaemic, but they are Richmond, which of course is the Irish sausage, isn't it? Now I have Richmond sausages. Mark tries other flavoured sausage, but I have Richmond, so this will be interesting for me.
There is not many things that I would not put in my mouth. The texture of the sausage is hideous. It's like slimy.
Thanks for going first and saying that. I don't want to try them now.
It's too late, you're in. You're committed. Yeah, give us a thumbs up if you want to see Beck eat the sausages that she... You love Richmond sausages, right up your street.
Exactly, but now you've said that, I'm like, I don't want to try them. Can I spit it out if I really don't like it?
No.
Oh, no. That's not fair.
It's not the rules.
Oh, no.
Go for it.
Oh, you've really put me off now. I need to go first in these taste tests in future.
Go for it.
I wonder if I get more beans if I mask the taste.
Make sure you chew it.
I don't know why I do this.
34 times.
Oh.
What do you think?
Oh, God.
What do you think?
That's disgusting. That's like
it's the texture. The texture's
you know, like
hideous.
what's that word? Reclaimed meat, is it? What is it called?
Like reconstituted meat that's been mechanically removed.
That's what that tastes like. That doesn't know.
There's no texture to the sausage meat at all.
I know, folks. Sausage is meat, obviously ground up and all that, but it doesn't taste like meat.
It tastes like a greasy hot dog sausage.
Not even that. I like hot dog sausages.
But yeah, there's no texture at all, and I'm not keen on the flavour.
That's fine.
I'm going to do the dipping across them all again.
I know they've changed the recipe, but if that's at all what that tasted like when we was kids, then I'm glad my mum never gave me one.
It's what it says on the tin: sausages and beans.
Sausages with beans.
Not as good as fresh sausages, but
not something I would buy personally. Just personal preference. However, there's absolutely nothing wrong with those two. It is exactly what it says. It's a sausage in beans. The sausage on this one is slightly better because it has got that extra flavour.
Yeah.
Tiny bit of like smokiness.
Yeah.
Which just gives it an edge.
That's just down to your taste. You might not like the smokiness, which the Aldi's a bit less smoky. So
the beans, to me,
very similar.
Very similar, and the tomato sauce very similar again. These, wow, £2 for them.
Yeah, I couldn't see myself having it like, you know, with chips or something.
On its own.
No. Like now.
I could never have it on its own, even though I am. I think I could have it with chips. Just about. Like you said, jacket potato with it all over, that would go alright. But again, are you masking the taste and the flavour? So
how much was these ones from Heinz?
£2. And
these are 55p, so you can almost buy 4 tins.
Almost.
Again, it comes down to taste. You might love these, you know. We're all different, aren't we?
Like I said though, pointing at you, I have Richmond sausages.
And you do like Richmond, didn't you?
I do love Richmond sausages, and I don't like them.
No, I don't like Richmond sausages too much because I find that they're too finely minced. I like to be a little bit chunkier. Yeah. More like a butcher's sausage, you know.
Yeah,
we've had a few sausages in our time.
No comment. Right, I'm going to go and say that those shouldn't be sold. I know, folks, if you like them, you like them. And again, just like the beans videos that we've done and the tomato soup videos, if you are used to them. I think it's about that, isn't it?
Yeah, you're going to keep.
You're going to keep
Yeah.
having them, and because your palate is used to them. So, for me, would never buy them again. If I was looking for something different, maybe for on a meal, I might buy these.
Yeah.
Ratings?
We're gonna rate them on baked beans and sausages.
That might be
Can't really
useful,
compare
be
it to
fair.
something. Can't really compare it to something. I'll go 7 on this one.
I mean, for beans and sausages, it's absolutely fine, you know. So I don't think there's anything wrong with this one. So I'll go 7. Yeah.
I think on the Aldi one, I think I'll give it a 6.5.
I'll give it a 6 because I think there's a considerable difference, in my opinion, with the sausage. So I'm going to give a 6 for that one. 7, 6. You've gone 7, 6.5, and this Heinz atrocity. I'm winding everybody up now.
You know, it'd be better if they took the sausages out completely, get an higher score.
I don't know. The beans video we did, the Heinz was quite low on that one.
Not a fan of Heinz beans anyway, but when you put them sausages in, it takes it to another level. I mean, down, not up.
I thought that was quite awful, to be honest. So
it's probably one of the worst things I've ever tasted, to be honest. I've tasted a lot of different foods.
All over the world.
Yeah.
So if he says that...
Yeah. I'm going to give
it a negative? Is that what you're going to say?
I think I'm going to give it a 1.
Ooh, it is Richmond sausage and it is in beans. It's just, for me, the taste of the sausage is like slimy and, you know...
It feels like it's uncooked, as if you get a sausage out of a packet and it's I know it is cooked, but...
So, for that reason, I'm going to say I'm going to give it a 1.5.
Okay, very generous. Give an extra half point to me.
Yeah.
So what we're saying, Sainsbury's have won, followed by the Bramwells from Aldi, and
should we do an apple pie? I love an apple pie.
We do like an apple pie.
Bramley apple pie
with a litre of custard, and the Heinz beans with sausages at the end. So you know, it's made me think that I think I would buy them. You know. It's one of them things that you've got to, you know, in the back of your cupboard.
In the cupboard.
Yeah.
For something different.
You think, well, I'll have a bit of toast.
I understand what you're saying.
A bit of toast. And you know what? In how everything's going up and the cost of living and everything, you know, it's a quick, you know, it's a quick filling meal.
It's a little bit more filling than just having beans, say, on toast or something. So for 55 pence, I think it's pretty good for that.
But at least you got one of your 5 a day in.
Yep. I think we'll leave it there then. Thanks for watching, folks. Hope you liked the video.
And if you enjoyed this one, you might enjoy our beans video, which is just on your screen right here now.
Or if you prefer, why not watch our tomato soup video? Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.